Hello guys, and welcome once again to your home decor channel. My name is Glam Designs. So I want to start this video thanking Natalie from Totally Dazzled. She was generous enough to send me all these beautiful brooches that I'm going to be sharing with you before I do the DIY, and also these beautiful craft items. They're so glam and beautiful. Napkin rings. They have so many things that you will go crazy. It's like crazy glam. I will have a link on the description box below with that 10% off. So if you guys are interested to buying these items, then you can just click there and make your purchases and get 10% off. For now, I want to show you how I incorporate these beautiful pieces into my DIYs. So let's get right into the DIY. This first DIY, you're gonna need 2 of these reindeers and a pack of ornaments from the Dollar Tree. You won't need the whole pack, so half is more than enough. And so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna place these bowls, ornament bowls, right on the middle, and this is gonna be like the support of both reindeers. So I'm just using my hot glue and I'm just gonna place them with the ornament facing down. That way it doesn't show on the top when you're looking at the reindeer from the top. I also add glue to the top of the ornament in order to attach the second reindeer on top. And let's just make sure it's totally aligned so that way when it's standing up, it's not going to be crooked. And to add the glam side to this reindeer, is already glam and beautiful. I want to go ahead and use this kind of like cotton cloth that you can find at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just cutting a little piece and I'm just going to fold it and I'm going to wrap it around like a scarf. That's the effect that I want to create here. If you guys have seen my decor, my Christmas decor this year is all fur and like with these kind of vibes of winter wonderland. I also went ahead and added an extra ornament just for stability. So if you feel like it's a little weak, you can add ornaments as you like. But I believe this amount is enough. I'm going to go ahead and use this flower. These come 3 in a pack from the Dollar Tree, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looked like. I really will be using a Totally Dazzled snowflake. And here's this beautiful piece. This is so gorgeous, guys. I can't even tell you how much they shine. So all I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and glue it using my hot glue gun. And I just apply a little bit and it sticks right into it. I went ahead and added an extra one, as you guys can see here, and it looks gorgeous. I really love the final result. This looks so expensive and it was made with like $5 and you just can't beat that. It has the glam, it's beautiful, and it's also something that we made ourselves, and I love that because it makes it unique. Now for DIY number 2, you will need a craft wreath, and I picked this one up at Michael's, and you can get it with a 40% off. But you can also do this DIY with the one that the Dollar Tree carries, which is smaller. That's why I'm using this one. And so all the items used here will be listed on the description box below, guys. So all I'm using is this fur ribbon from Walmart. So what I'm gonna do first, luckily this fur ribbon was exactly the same size of this wreath, so it was very easy for me just to cover the front part and then hot glue it on the back, as you guys can see here. And what we want to do is just pull together. You glue one side and then go around the other side, pulling it and until they both meet the fabric. When it comes to the end, I'm going to go ahead and trim exactly where they both meet, both ends. And then we're going to go ahead and fold it and just hot glue it. And now to add a touch of silver and glam, I'm also using this ribbon from Walmart. And again, the Dollar Tree carries ribbons, but I had this one in hand, that's why I'm using it. So now we're gonna go ahead and make a bow, and the easiest way is just to take the ribbon, we fold it on both sides, and then in the middle we are going to trim that long sleeve And then we'll add another one exactly the same size, and I'm just gonna use hot glue. That's just the easiest way. Now that the bow is completed, to add a lot of glam and beauty, I'm going to go ahead and use this Totally Dazzled brooch, and it's so pretty, you guys. As you guys can see, I mean, this is amazing. And the best part is that you don't have to hot glue it. You can reuse these items because it has a clip on the back, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. So to add my decor colors for this season, as you guys know, is rose gold, so I'll be using these ornaments from the Dollar Tree as well, to add a little touch of rose gold in it. So what you may want to do is just attach each ornament from the bottom tip with hot glue, and then we'll make like a little bunch of ornaments of 4. Now it's time to decorate the wreath and add on the items that we'll work on. And so to do that, what we're gonna do, I came up with this idea, is just take a piece of ribbon and then attach the ribbon to each other on the corners. That way it doesn't touch the fur, and then add the bow on top of that piece of ribbon. So I'm gonna repeat this process with the ornaments that are gonna go on the side, so that way the fur doesn't get hot glue and is totally new when we want to change it again in the future. And then again, applying hot glue, I just add glue to the ornaments and into that piece of ribbon. And here's how it all came out. I mean, I can't even tell you how happy I am. I've seen one of these fur wreaths in Pier 1, but they're like $60, as you guys can see on this picture. And that's a lot of money. This one cost me probably like $15 or maybe less. So this is amazing when you can craft something and save yourself a lot of money. Especially after adding the Totally Dazzled brooch, definitely changed this piece and made it more exciting and sparkly and glam. Now the next DIY I think is the easiest of all of them, and all I'm doing is just adding on a little bit of that rose gold that I'm using for this season. So I'm using my Totally Dazzled brooches, and I'm just gonna add 2 to each stocking. These stockings are from Hobby Lobby. And here's how it looks like after I added on these beautiful, gorgeous brooches. I mean, they totally look totally dazzled, like for real. I am completely in love with the way this came out. It was so simple to make or to add on this rose gold color that I'll be using this season. You can't find nothing like this in the store. It's very hard. So for me, it was a must-have when I saw this beautiful brooch. I would like to hear from you guys. What do you think of this addition to the stocking? Comment down below. Now finally, I want to be able to glam up these 2 reindeers that I picked up at Walmart, and they were 2 in a pack for $10 or $12, so they came out to $6 each. They're child-proof because they are plastic and they don't weigh nothing. So for those of you that have children, this is a great item to get at Walmart. They look much more expensive than what it costs. But I wanted to be able to add on a little bit more glam. So I'm using a tiny little piece of leftover from this fur ribbon. And I wanted to create like a scarf, like that winter wonderland feeling again. So I'm just going to cut a little piece and I'm going to add it on like a scarf. And then on the other one like a cape, and I'm just using my hot glue gun to complete this project. So now to add that extra glam touch, I'm using this pearl from Totally Dazzled. I will use it in a diamond shape because I like the way it looks better, and it just looks like a pendant on top of the scarf and also on the cape. And here's the final result, you guys. I'm so happy with the result. I mean, it's so beautiful, as you guys can see for yourself. Thank you so much, Natalie, for providing me with these items. I totally love these items. They're so pretty, guys. I mean, go ahead and click on that link and get yourself some Christmas items to DIYs. You can use these items all season long. And again, there is a 10% off until December 31st, 2018. So take advantage of that. So guys, this is the end of this video, but I would love to see you more often. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'll invite you to join me on this journey of decorating ideas. I would love to have you part of the family, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. I will be so happy to have you here. And this is just part of my Christmas series, so stay tuned for more. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you around. Ciao.